Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome again to Mr. Wirawan's classroom. What? Online classroom ya, exactly ya. Okay, for class 10, we have the second meeting now, and still we are talking about myself. In the previous lesson, you have learned about how to introduce yourself, how to describe about yourself. You have learned about what using pronoun and some expression to introduce ourselves. Now we still on that, and we have a slight different material, although we have the same discussion about talking about myself. Now we are using how to introducing how to talk about ourselves in social media. It looks like very suit with you and suit with our online learning nowadays. This is about talking about someone, talking about oneself in Instagram. I'm sure that you all have Instagram. Inshallah, in the third meeting, you will have project to talk about yourself in your social media, maybe Instagram, maybe in Facebook, maybe in YouTube, It can be, in the form of video. But before that, today we will have warming up about that. For example, in here, in Instagram, Aldo Permana account, this awesome robot brings me to the national competition. And there is a comment from Mawar Soleh. Hey Aldo and Mawar, Cynthia Psari's cousin. She told me that you are good at robotics and have attended several robotic competitions. Dia menyebutkan nama, Hai Aldo, saya Mawar. Cynthia Hapsari's cousin. Misanannya Cynthia Hapsari. She told me that you are good at robotics. Dia memberitahu aku bahwa kamu mahir dalam robotik dan attended, mengikuti several robotic kompetisi robotik, beberapa kompetisi robotik. I'm interested in robotics too. Saya tertarik dalam robotik juga. Ingat, ini ada to sekaligus Pak Wirawan ajarkan kalau pakai to maka to-nya pakai belakang juga. Ada selain pakai to dalam bahasa Inggris itu pakai also. Tapi kalau also itu diletakkan sebelum kata kerja. Kalau di sini ada to be, kalau ada to be diletakkan setelah to be, Kalau ada to be setelah to be, kalau ada kata kerja diletakkan sebelum kata kerja. Nah, di sini I am also interested in robotics. Kalau misalnya nggak pakai to, itu artinya sama juga. Oke, continue. I attend a robotic club at my school. Saya mengikuti klub robotik di sekolah saya, SMA Generasi Baru Bandung. I want to learn more about robotics, Saya ingin belajar lebih banyak tentang robotik. I've already follow your account. Saya sudah mengikuti akun kamu. So would you follow me back? Maukah kamu follow back saya, I hope we can be friends. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is introducing or talking about oneself in Instagram in comment, Now, how about talking about oneself in social media, the other social media? For example, in here we have, what is it? Direct message maybe, or maybe, ya direct message ya in Instagram. For example, like this, "Hey Mawar, I'm Rangga Setiawan. You can call me Rangga. I know you from Naura, your email. She's my cyber friend. Hey Rangga, Nora has informed me about you before. Great. Naura has several e-pals. E-pals itu apa? E-pals itu teman di internet ya. Kalau dulu zamannya Pak Wirawan masih sekolah itu penpals itu teman pena, sahabat pena. Sekarang nggak usum sahabat pena, sahabat internet. And she suggests I make a friend with you. Dan dia menyarankan saya berteman denganmu. It's nice to have more friends. It's also nice to know you too. I'm glad to hear that. I'm from Palangkaraya. Where are you from? I'm from Bandung. I'm in the 10th grade of SMA Generasi Baru. What about you? Okay. Ya, dia ada dialog di sini. We are in the same grade. I study at SMK Baru Garuda Palangkaraya. Palangkaraya bener. By the way, omong-omong, I noticed from your IG. Saya melihat di IG-mu that you are an environmental activist. Apa kamu penggiat lingkungan? May I follow your account and learn from you about how to protect the environment? Boleh saya mengikuti akunmu dan belajar darimu tentang bagaimana menjaga lingkungan? With pleasure, dengan gembira. You can also reach me on my WA ya, WA ya. May I have yours? Bisa saya dapat nomormu? I have videos about environment to share with you. Saya punya video tentang lingkungan yang bisa bagi denganmu. That's very kind of you. Thank you. Kamu baik sekali, terima kasih. Mine is, punya saya nomor ini. You're welcome, okay? I'll send the videos now. You're welcome, terima kasih. Oke, saya akan mengirim video sekarang. Oke, this is direct message ya. Oh, we have question here. How does Mawar introduce herself initially? This is a question for text 1 ya. How does Mawar introduce herself initially? Pada awalnya Mawar memperkenalkan diri pertamanya bagaimana? Nah, di sini ada ya di sini. Hi Aldo, I'm Mawar. Dia sebutkan apa? She mentions her name ya. She mentions her name. Dia menyebutkan namanya. Maybe she greets Aldo. Dia menyapa Aldo. Hai Aldo ya. Itu perlu ya dalam bersosial pertama kali ketemu. What information does Mawar mention when introducing herself? Informasi apa yang Mawar sebutkan ketika memperkenalkan dirinya? Oke, apa yuk? Coba kita kasih waktu kalian untuk membaca tadi, kira-kira apa aja? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that. Okay. What information she gives to Aldo? Okay, her names. And then, okay, her relatives ya. Cynthia Absari itu relative. Maybe Cynthia Absari is Aldo's friend. So, and this in here, Cynthia Absari shows Mawar about tells Mawar about Aldo. Yeah, she told me. Okay, she talks about the information she receives from Cynthia Absari about Aldo. And then the other, she talk about interest. Yeah, I'm interested in robotic, blah blah blah. Yeah, interest. Yeah, and the other maybe okay. Her hope. Yeah, her hope we can be friends. Okay, is there anything that you can find what she talks about in the in the in the comments of IG? Yeah, you can write to me in WA. Yeah, in WA. Maybe yeah, I don't mention and you know. Okay, it's okay. That's nice. How will the addressee probably respond to the introduction? How will addressee itu yang dituju? Bagaimana kira-kira dituju respon ke pengenalan itu kira-kira? Kalau kamu mendapatkan pengenalan itu, responmu gimana ya? Kira-kira ya. Oke, It depends on you. You can maybe say, okay, good. You feel welcome, okay, merasa terbuka, boleh ya. Okay, and the others maybe respond. Okay, comment to her comment. Okay. Memberikan komentar ke komentarnya, okay, it's okay. Or maybe others, maybe in IG, ya, give loves or give like, okay. Many things, ya, maybe send DM, ya, okay. Why is Mawar interested to be Aldo's friend? Why? It is explained in the text. Why? Okay, so I want to learn more about robotics. She wants to learn more about robotics. That's the answer. She wants to learn more about robotics. What can you learn from the text? What can you learn from the text? Okay. From this text, what can you learn? Okay. It depends on what you receive, yeah. You can mention to me in WH group, yeah, what you can learn from the text. In giving the answer, give names and students registration number or nomor absen, ya. Only you who watch this video can give comment, ya. And don't forget to write your name and your student's registration number in the YouTube comment, ya. If you cannot give comment in YouTube comment, you can ask your friend to write your name and your student's registration number, ya. The answer you should, ya, the answer of number 5, text 1 number 5, type in the WA group, ya, in my group. Okay, now text 2. Why does Rangga text Mawar? Why does Rangga text Mawar in here? Ya, Rangga. I'm Rangga. You can call me Rangga. I know you from Naura. You reply. He's my father. Why? You can know that in the this text. May I follow your account and learn from you about how to protect the environment? Okay. So Rangga text Naura because he wants to learn from Naura about how to protect the environment. That's the answer. How does Rangga introduce himself? How does, yeah? He introduces himself. Yeah. He greets Naura. He writes about his name and he writes about his nickname. Ya. Rangga Setiawan, full name, nickname Rangga, ya. And he writes about Naura, ya. Oh ya, Naura. This is Mawar, ya. Rangga text Mawar. Sorry, ya. And he knows Mawar from Naura. Naura is Mawar's friend too, so you know the connection. Yeah, Rangga and Naura are connected by Mawar. Rangga and Mawar are connected by Naura. Yes. How does Rangga introduce himself? Ya sudah tadi, ya. Okay. Tell about his full name, his nickname, and his relationship with Naura. She is Mawar's friend too, ya. How does Mawar respond to introduction? How does Mawar respond to the introduction? Mawar responds friendly, ya, straightforward, and she receives the text warmly, ya, dengan hangat, ya, ramah. So it's very interesting conversation in DM. How does have you ever introduced yourself to new friend? Ya, pernahkah kamu memperkenalkan dirimu pada teman baru? How did you do it? Bagaimana kamu melakukan itu? This is your job. Ya, write about yourself and write it in WA group, ya, in my group. Write about yourself, ya, and I will give score to you. How did you do it? Okay. Very simple. What information do you tell when introducing yourself? Introducing yourself, what information? There are two examples about that. Now, about learning the material, introducing oneself, you can use, hello, I'm Dena. May I know your name, please? Good morning, my name's Arya. Oh, yeah, they respond, hello, I'm Dena. May I know your name, please? Hello, Dena, I'm Ronnie. Okay, good morning, my name's Arya. What's your name? Good morning, Arya. My name's Gina. Hi, I'm Angga. I'm a student of class 10 Social Science 3. May I know you? Hi, Angga. I'm Lydia. I'm from class 10 Language 2. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name's Gilang. My name's Gilang Pradana. You can call me Gilang. I'm from Mataram. Hello, Gilang. Hello, Gilang. I'm Dewi Rahmawati. You can call me Dewi. I'm from Padang. This is example of introducing oneself and the response. Okay. And as the previous lesson, I have talked to you about pronoun, in here, but you can just read and try to learn, ya. Pronoun is kata ganti yang in bahasa Indonesia, ya. There are many example in here, ya. Try to learn it more, but I will just describe the table. There are 4 kinds of pronoun, students. Ada 4 macam pronoun, 4 macam kata ganti. Subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, possessive pronoun, sama possessive adjective. Nah, subjective pronoun itu pronoun yang posisinya subjek, letaknya sebelum kata kerja atau sebelum to be. Sedangkan objective pronoun itu pronoun pronoun yang posisi objek, letaknya setelah to be atau setelah kata kerja. Sedangkan possessive pronoun adalah kata ganti milik yang mana barang yang dimiliki tidak perlu disebutkan. Sedangkan possessive adjective adalah kata ganti milik yang benda yang dimiliki harus disebutkan. Contohnya, I like painting, itu pronounnya I. Saya suka painting. I do it in my spare time. My diikuti benda yang dimiliki. Saya melakukannya di waktu senggang saya. My family, always supports me. Me ini objek, bukan always supports I. Perlu diketahui, ya. Dalam bahasa Inggris susunan kalimat adalah subjek, verb, object, atau subject to be, adjective. Ya, insyaallah in my previous video you can check in my YouTube account. I give videos about sentences, tenses, you can watch the video. The paintings in the living room are mine. Nah, mine ini bendanya nggak diikuti. Lukisan di ruang tamu adalah milik saya, ya. Jadi bendanya ditaruh depannya. Tapi kalau my benda yang dimiliki ditaruh setelahnya. I have a cousin. Number 2, her name is Amira. I meet her every month. Her yang pertama ini adalah milik Apa? Possessive adjective. Namanya Amira. I meet her, sama-sama her tapi berbeda. Her yang kedua ini adalah objek. Saya ketemu her, dia. Saya subjek, meet verb, her objek. Saya ketemu dia every month, setiap bulan. She has a rabbit. She has rabbits. Dia punya kelinci. She di sini menunjukkan dia perempuan. She has rabbits. Dia punya banyak kelinci. I have rabbits too. Saya punya kelinci-kelinci juga. But hers are more than mine. Tapi miliknya lebih banyak dari saya. Hers di sini maksudnya adalah apa? Her rabbits. Ya. Tapi benda yang dimilikinya nggak ditulis. Ya. Cukup berarti menggunakan hers sebagai possessive pronoun. Ingat ya possessive pronoun. I, me, mine, my. You, yours, your. He, him, his, his. She, her, hers, her. It, its. Ya. We, ini possessive adjective it's dimiliki. Ya. Possessive pronoun jarang ada. We, us, ours, our. They, them, theirs, their. Ya, ini tolong dipahami dan dipapalkan supaya tidak bingung di berikutnya. Ya, sekarang penggunaan be dan have ya. Di sini insya Allah sudah saya sebutkan beberapa sebagian di pertemuan sebelumnya, tapi ini diulang lagi karena masih beberapa ada yang salah. I am Rangga Setiawan. I am, she is, we are. Naura has, I have. Dari situ. Am is for the subject. I am itu untuk I, is untuk he, she, it, are untuk plural you, we, they. Tapi you tunggal ada loh. You artinya kamu. You are a student. Kamu seorang siswa. You are students. Ya. Jadi you itu bisa berarti kamu, bisa berarti kalian, bisa tunggal, bisa jamak. Sekarang untuk have atau has itu artinya memiliki. Kalau diikuti benda yang dimiliki ya, untuk tanya malah yaitu milik ya. Tapi have atau has sebenarnya ada arti lain, yaitu makan. Atau I have bakso, I have meatball for lunch. Saya makan bakso untuk makan siang. Have atau has apabila dimiliki kata makanan biasanya artinya makan. Ya. I have breakfast. Saya makan sarapan. Nah, itu. Oke. Tapi pada umumnya kalau have has itu untuk memiliki. Ya. Subjek plus have has diikuti noun. Kapan menggunakan has? Apabila subjeknya he, she, it. Dan have itu selain he, she, it. Artinya sama, memiliki. Nah, ketika bentuk negatifnya she, do, does not have noun. Do, does, subject. Insyaallah I give you link for video to learn about this ya. To learn about present simple. So you will understand more detail about that. Okay, now we have activity 4. Complete the following sentences with correct pronouns. Read your work aloud. Okay. This I will give you link, insyaallah ya. Maybe not in some in WA group, maybe some in Google link. It's okay. With introducing ya. Okay, I will do this in Google form ya. Mr. Indro is our principal. Bla 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 always. Jawabannya apa? Apa pronounnya? I, you, we, they, he, she, it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nanti di Google di linknya you just choose the answer. Kamu hanya memilih jawabannya saja. Makanya dikerjakan dulu di kertas, di buku ini. Nah, soalnya kalau kamu ngerjakan di Google link, belum tentu nanti bisa balik. Walaupun biasanya bisa, tapi menghindari ada anak-anak yang bolak-balik itu enggak bisa. Kamu tulis dulu jawabanmu di kertas, baru nanti buka linknya, baru dimasukkan jawabannya. Jangan lupa subscribe ya, like, karena ini juga untuk kepentingan penyebarannya ini, biar banyak orang bisa belajar gratis ya ini. Activity 5 itu masukkan be atau have. Mana yang be, mana have. Nah, ini sudah ada ya di latihan kemarin sebenarnya, tapi ini kita ulang lagi. Oke, kita ulang lagi dah. Latihan 4, latihan 5, nanti yang pertama terus ada tadi memperkenalkan diri in English. Okay guys, see you insyaallah. We will learn new material today, and I hope it is very useful for you. And I'm sorry if there is something that you don't like, something like that. But yeah, at least we know that we try to study more. Yeah, if you don't like this video, yeah, make by yourself your better video with me, and you can say to me, okay. Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.